Do you want to make money from YouTube videos? While earning thousands of dollars off the bat probably isn't realistic for most people, you can start getting paid quickly, especially if you have a strong subscriber base. Once you've created your channel and built your audience, you can monetize your videos in your YouTube Studio dashboard. Additionally, you can use Google AdSense to provide additional income from your videos. This video will show you how to get started making money off YouTube, regardless of where you're starting. Create your channel, upload videos, and gain an audience to monetize your videos. Set up Google AdSense to make money per click from your videos and market them in places other than YouTube. If you have at least 4,000 watch hours in the previous year, over 1,000 subscribers, and a linked AdSense, you can join the YouTube Partner Program. YouTubers make money through advertisements. It does not matter how many videos your video itself has or how many subscribers you have. You will not receive money from viewers who have the AdBlock extension because it stops ads from playing. You will receive money from those who have YouTube Premium, however. Age-restricted videos are not eligible for monetization. This is why YouTubers tend to filter out profanity or mature content to prevent their video from becoming age-restricted. YouTube is very strict about copyright. Since you are generating revenue, fair use does not apply, so you must have permission from the copyright holder to use their content. Your channel is your personal presence on YouTube. Each YouTube account has one channel attached to it. A YouTube account is the same as a Google account, and creating a YouTube account will grant you access to other Google products, such as Gmail and Drive. Create your account or use your existing one. Add keywords to help people find your channel, which is key to making money on YouTube. You can add keywords by navigating to the advanced section of your channel settings. Make sure that your keywords are relevant to your content. Your username can also work for or against you. If it's short, easy to remember, and original, people will be more apt to remember you. However, if you are using an existing account, you can always change your username by editing it on your Google Plus account. Keep in mind, you can only change your username 3 times at maximum before you have to wait 90 days to change it again. Try to upload content that is high quality and isn't super long. This option can vary depending on what type of content you decide to upload. The more engaging your content, the better your chances at earning money on YouTube. Even if your content isn't great at first, keep at it. Practice makes perfect. Try to make each video better than the last. You will often learn as you go. Improve your content by either using a better camera or trying better editing software or techniques. Also try to improve the way things are filmed. Use a tripod, have a friend help you, or light your scenes better. It all helps for a better end product, which in turn helps you get a better audience. If you don't want to buy bright white lights, you can sit near a sunny window or do it outside. By uploading content regularly, you can help hold an audience, which can help you earn money. People are more likely to subscribe if you add content regularly. Make sure to tag your videos with keywords that describe the content, as well as an eye-catching description. These will help drive people to your video from YouTube searches. You need at least 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months and 1,000 subscribers to start earning money on YouTube. You can monetize a video as it uploads by clicking the Monetization tab and checking the Monetize with Ads box. To monetize a video after it has been uploaded, open your video manager and click the $sign next to the video that you want to monetize. Check the Monetize with Ads box. In order to start earning money on your videos, you'll need to enable monetization. This means you're allowing YouTube to place ads in your video. This also means that you acknowledge that there is no copyrighted material in your video. Go to YouTube and click My Channel on the web page. Click the link called Video Manager on the top bar. Click Channel and enable on monetization. Set up Google AdSense. You can set up Google AdSense for free at the AdSense website. Click the Sign Up Now button to begin creating your account. You must be 18 years or older to create your own account. If you are younger than that, you will need an adult to help you. You need either PayPal or a bank account and a valid mailing address as well as other information, so AdSense can verify who you are and who to send the money to. You only gain money per ad click and a smaller amount per view, but it adds up over time. This is why having an audience is key. Gain a large audience. Building an audience is key to making money. You need people to watch your ads in order to make any money off of them. There is no one secret to getting more subscribers. Just make the best content that you can, and they will come to you. Sometimes there will be haters, so you just have to ignore them. If you want to thrive, you have to be confident. Try to get your YouTube channel out there. Use methods such as press releases to help your channel gain notoriety. With press releases, for example, you can get an article about your YouTube channel published on hundreds of news sites with thousands, if not millions of readers. This can drive traffic to your channel and possibly help you get verified as well. Keep uploading content and try to get people hooked. Send your video out on Twitter and Facebook, share it with people, distribute it elsewhere on the internet. Subscribers are essential to becoming a partner. Interact with your viewers by responding to comments and making occasional videos directly related to viewer comments and questions. Connecting with your community will bring more members into that community. One good way to do that is pretty simple: shoutouts. YouTube partners are YouTube members who have monetized videos with a large number of viewers. Partners gain access to more content creation tools and can win prizes for the number of viewers they have. Partners also get access to much more community support and tips. Channel memberships can give your viewers special member-only perks. By joining your channel through recurring monthly payments, viewers can earn exclusive emojis, badges, perks, live chats, and more. This allows your viewers to support you in more ways than ad revenue from your videos. To enable channel memberships, you must meet the minimum requirements. You must have more than 1,000 subscribers, be a YouTube partner, be over 18 years old, have a community tab, and your channel cannot be set as made for kids. As this is a relatively new feature, meeting the requirements doesn't necessarily mean you'll automatically get channel membership access. If you have access, you'll see the option to begin channel memberships on the memberships page. Super Chat and Super Stickers can be used during live chats. When viewers use a Super Chat or Super Sticker, their message will stand out in live chat during live streams and premieres. These messages will be pinned to the top of the chat for a set period of time. This gives incentive to viewers who want a greater chance of their message being read to everyone watching. The bigger the purchase the amount, the longer the message will be pinned to the chat. You can moderate all Super Chats and Super Stickers. You'll be able to add a list of blocked words to avoid abuse. You can also remove them at any time while keeping your earnings. To use Super Chat and Super Stickers, your channel must be monetized, and you must be in an eligible location. Super Thanks allows you to earn revenue from viewers who want to show extra thanks. This feature was formerly known as viewer applause. Viewers can set their own price point for their Super Thanks. After buying a Super Thanks, a colorful animation will play over the video for the viewer. They'll also get to post a distinct customizable comment in the video's comment section. This lets your viewers stand out over other viewers while giving you extra support. Once you have some videos online, monetized, and being viewed, you can check out the analytics on them to see how they are performing. Click the analytics option in your channel menu. Here you can view estimated earnings, ad performance, video views, demographics, and more. Use these tools to see how your content is resonating with your audience. You can change your content or your marketing if you're finding that you aren't attracting the users that you want to. Don't put your videos just on YouTube. Start a blog, make a website, or post them on other video or social media sites. The more views it gets, the better. By sharing the link or embedding the video on the internet, you are increasing the chance of it getting noticed. Thank you for watching. Remember to like the video and subscribe.